My purple square body is going to get a 350 small block Chevy. I had it available to me that I wasn't using. It's been sitting for a number of years. So I'm going to drop it in this one, along with the Turbo 400 and 203 that I originally ran behind my 6-liter LS. Get some mounts back on these plates. I took them out, used them in my square. I like to do like a cheap mod. I don't know, a hack. I don't know. I fill it full of urethane, windshield urethane. Stiffens up the mount a little bit and helps out with flexing. So I'm gonna get those put in first before I drop in the motor. Mounts are on the frame inside the truck. Here's my 350 4-bolt main. I think it's got a mild cam, air gap intake, nothing crazy. It's gonna have some uprights on it. We're gonna put that inside the truck right now. Just watch it for me and tell me if it's getting too close to the cowl. .350 is in there, sitting. Motor mount bolts are all done up down there. Well, they're in there. I shouldn't say they're done up. So next step is to get that 400, 203, put it on the transmission jack. No, I do not separate them. Yes, it is insanely heavy. I can't tell you why I do it this way. I guess it's just easier. I'm not gonna lie, I'm lazy, but it is insanely heavy. So the transmission transfer case is next.
Okay, it's on the tranny jack. That was frightening. Frightening as can be. That, that's 203. It's heavy. I don't want to lift it. I'm not gonna lie. 400 and the 203 in there. It was definitely a way longer fight than I anticipated. I didn't know which cross member to use here. I had like 4 of them, nothing marked. This one fit the best in the end. It looks good. I got it all in there, bolted up on the engine. So step 1 complete. Now I guess on to the electrical with this thing.
That wraps up the square for this go. I got the motor covered up because I got holes in the hood for my uprights and I don't want the motor to get wet right yet. And I got that transmission in. The mount was a pain in the butt, the cross member I should say. I had 4 here, I didn't know which one. I made one work. It took longer than expected, and lifting the transmission transfer case in one piece was definitely a roid with one guy in the shop, just me. But I got it all together, got it tucked away. It's gonna go back outside for a bit. Next is probably electrical dash. I need some gauges, obviously, RPM, temperature. The last time my temperature gauge didn't work, I cooked the 400 in this thing, so working temperature gauge would be nice. So I'll keep on posting on my build and hopefully I'll have it running sometime by summer or maybe sooner, depends how many days I get to work on it. Thanks for watching.